Hi, it's Chris from WTI, and I can't wait to tell you how much I love this universal grounding mat by New Meal.
I really love the size of this grounding mat. I also appreciate that it comes with this connection cord that's so easy to connect to the mat. It kind of just snaps in place, and it is 15 feet in length, so it gives you lots of room to plug it in wherever your outlet is, just into the grounding part. It can be stored very compactly, but then unrolls to wherever it is that you want to place it, whether that's at the bottom of the bed, so you can put your feet on it, or whether you want to have it even underneath your desk while you're working at your computer, and you can have your feet directly on the grounding mat even all day long. So you're really getting any benefits through the day. The material itself is such an excellent quality. It's smooth to the touch and it's really easy to clean. Just wipe it with a wet cloth once a day. I'm absolutely in love with my grounding mat, and I think you will be too.
And that's my point of view.